Here is a close look at the Imusa coffee machine. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So as you see, I just went ahead and made some coffee using it. It's super simple to use. You'll see I've got it plugged in right now. You pretty much just put water into the base, add in your coffee grounds, stick the pitcher on top, press the on button, and it'll get to work and be done in just a few minutes. So I'll go ahead and pour it now so you can get an idea of how easy this is to use. And there we go. Some great, delicious coffee made using this really handy machine, which is also super portable as well. Super convenient if you're traveling. So my only complaints with it that I do want to note, if I can get it back on. So this top right here, the pitcher part, is made of plastic, so it does feel a little bit flimsier. Just keep that in mind. I don't think there are any issues in terms of quality, and it can still create excellent coffee. Just keep in mind that that top is plastic. And then also one part that is a little bit tricky is you don't fully know like when it's done. Like as soon as it stops doing its thing, then you know it's done. But the light doesn't turn off or anything. There aren't any beeps. You kind of just have to tell when it's done, when all the coffee's up here at the top, when it's all transferred up, then you know it's done. But other than that, it's a little bit tricky to tell. But honestly, those are my only complaints to this machine. It takes 480 watts, I believe, very easy to use, and it creates some amazing coffee. So definitely give it a shot if you are looking for an espresso machine.